Hey guys, welcome to another episode, and today we are unboxing a new product that came out from Oppo recently. Sobrang matutuwa ako dito. I'm talking about the Oppo Pad SE, and this is their latest product, and you can see why I'm hyped for this. It's a new tablet, guys. Medyo bago-bago pa siya, as in kakalabas lang yan last week. Kaka-launch lang. We're unboxing this today, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like, ano yung laman nito, and you probably what to expect. Kasi I'm gonna do the review in another time. Pero right now, let's just open this and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so let's talk about the box first. So ito yung box niya. Follows the standard Oppo design. Yung white, yung gray is there. Tapos here's the front. Here's the back. So all the other details are here. Let's see. So this is a Twilight Blue. It has 4 gig memory and then 128 gig na storage. Let's check it out. So buksan natin to ngayon and I'm gonna show you ano laman. So from here, tinanggal ko na yung plastic wrap obviously. So buksan na natin to. As you can see here, buksan na. Lagay natin to dito. And ito yung pad. So, labas natin muna yung product, yung tablet. Ito. I'll put it on the side muna here for a bit. Check natin kung ano pa yung laman ng box. So, as you can see here, ano lang nata ito eh. Buksan natin to Wala na yata laman. Yeah, wala na. So, ito lang. So, ito, ang laman niya are the following. Meron tayong USB cable. It's Type-C by the way. So, yan. Type-C. Meron din tayong walang ejector. Okay. So, meron tayong 2 guides. So, ito yung guide for the actual product. Ayan. In different lengguahe. Ayan. And the other is the safety guide. As you can see here. Ayan, safety guide. So, ayan yung laman niya. And, check natin yung itsura nung Pad SE. Tingnan natin kung is it worth the hype or is it ano. Pero ako, honestly, masaya ako kasi maganda yung last Oppo Pad na nilabas nila in the market. Didn't get the chance to have one. Pero ito now, salamat kay Oppo, meron tayo nito ngayon. So, ito yung likod, ito yung harap. Meron din tayong, ito yung camera niya. As you can see here, ayan camera. Power buttons niya ay nandito sa top. Pag nakaganito ka, nasa top siya. Pero kung naka-vertical ka, ito yung power button. Ayan. So, pag ganyan, power button. Tapos, ito yung volume controls. On the other side, pag vertical ka, tapos makikita mo to. So, dito yung USB port niyan. Ayan. USB port. There we go. And, fun thing here is, magaan siya. Magaan yung tab. Actually, parang, so nga siyang bilhan na agad ng casing. Kasi parang, very siya. Medyo rough siya, or medyo medyo tough siyang hawa, or medyo mukha siyang tough. Pero at the same time, magaan siya. Ayan. Pero at the same time, parang may heft din yung tablet. So, I guess it's a perfectly balanced, so to speak, na product. Also, napansin ko dito meron din siyang 4 na speaker. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what does that mean, guys? Ang ibig sabihin nun, malakas yung sounds niya. So, it's perfect kung maninood ka ng YouTube or mag-stream ka ng Netflix or Disney Plus or whatever you're gonna watch. Maganda siya for watching. Pangalawa, meron din siyang magandang bezel dito or maganda rin yung display, niya. Medyo malaki yung display, niya eh. So, buksan natin to and then set up lang natin. Then, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's on. Okay. So, one of the things that we usually look for or hinahanap natin when we buy tablets, not just for us, for our work, but also for our kids, is yung laki ng screen. So usually, ang hinahanap natin yung manipis or medyo magaan siya, pero maganda yung screen quality and yung liwanag ng screen. And I'm happy to say na when I unbox this, yung Oppo Pad SE has that. So ito ay merong 11-inch screen na OLED ba to? Let me check here dito sa aking ano. Yeah, so LCD screen. So it has a 11-inch LCD screen. So maganda siya on this side and on this. Ayan. So madali siyang hawakan either way. So ganyan. Or ganyan yung hawak ng tablet. Okay lang siya. Ayan. So what else am I gonna talk about here? Yung battery din niya, I was reading up on this product. So sabi nila yung battery is 9,340 mAh. So malaki-laki na rin or malayo-layo na rin yung mararating ng tablet na to. I'm talking about a lot of streaming contents, a lot of social media. This is good. This is good. So, ayun lang muna for unboxing. Again, let me recap. So, this has an 11-inch display na perfect for work and for play. It also comes with the USB. Ito, USB Type-C. And walang wall charger, guys. So, pero ito, okay na to. I'll do more topics, or I'll touch on more points sa Oppo Pad SE in the coming days. I'm really excited to use this. So keep up and follow me on social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, and we'll see more and learn more about the Oppo Pad SE. In the meantime, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.